In this video, you'll learn how to add multiple quantities to a listing on eBay. By following these steps, you will efficiently manage your inventory while selling identical items. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once logged in, navigate to the sell section, which you can find in the main menu of your Seller Hub dashboard. Here you have the option to either create a new listing or edit an existing one. If you choose to create a new listing, enter the product details such as title, category, and description as you usually would. If you are editing, ensure that the existing details are accurate. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your listing. Next, focus on the quantity field located within the selling details section of the listing form. This is where you will enter the total number of identical items you wish to sell. It is important to set the listing format to fixed price because auction listings typically allow only one item per sale. Take a moment to review the inventory number you enter to avoid any possibility of overselling. Accurate quantity settings are essential for effective stock management. After you have entered the desired quantity and reviewed all of the listing details, proceed to click the list item or save button. This action will publish your listing, making it visible to potential buyers. Once published, your listing will display the total available quantity. Each time an item sells, eBay will automatically decrease the quantity available, simplifying the sales process for you. During the checkout process, buyers will have the option to select how many items they wish to purchase. This flexibility enhances their shopping experience while keeping your store organized. Managing multiple quantities through a single listing not only saves time, but also helps maintain clarity in your inventory. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.